We're living in an age of convenience, but our health is paying the price. One growing concern? Fatty liver disease. It's more common than you think, affecting millions. But what exactly is it? Fatty liver happens when fat builds up in your liver. This amazing organ has many jobs like filtering toxins and helping with digestion. Too much fat slows it down. You might not even know you have it at first. Symptoms can be sneaky. Feeling tired all the time? Gaining weight easily? Digestion sluggish? These could be your liver talking. But don't worry, there's hope. By understanding fatty liver, you're taking the first step towards recovery. Let's face it, our modern diets are overloaded with sugar. Everywhere you look, from breakfast to dinner, sugar sneaks its way into almost everything we eat. It's not just the obvious treats like candy and soda. Sugar is hiding in sauces, breads, and even foods marketed as healthy. This constant exposure means our bodies are dealing with more sugar than ever before in human history. Think sweetened drinks, processed snacks, and even seemingly healthy choices like flavored yogurts or granola bars. These foods are everywhere, and they're often packed with added sugars that can be easy to overlook. Even a single can of soda or a bowl of sugary cereal can contain more sugar than your body needs in an entire day. This excess sugar is a major culprit behind fatty liver. When you eat more sugar than your body can use for immediate energy, the extra gets sent to your liver. Over time, this overload puts a huge strain on your liver, forcing it to work overtime to process and store all that sugar. Here's how it works. Your body breaks down sugar into glucose, which is a type of simple sugar that your cells use for energy. Glucose travels through your bloodstream, ready to fuel your muscles and organs. But when there's too much glucose, your body has to find a way to deal with the excess. Too much glucose? Your liver stores it as fat. This is your body's way of saving energy for later. But when it happens too often, fat starts to build up inside the liver itself. This buildup is what we call fatty liver disease, and it can happen to anyone, even people who aren't overweight. Over time, this leads to fatty liver. The liver becomes swollen and inflamed, and its ability to function properly starts to decline. If left unchecked, this can progress to more serious conditions like liver scarring, cirrhosis, or even liver failure. And there's another villain in this story: insulin resistance. Insulin is a hormone that helps your cells absorb glucose from your blood. But when you constantly flood your system with sugar, your body has to produce more and more insulin to keep up. When you eat too much sugar, your body pumps out more insulin to deal with it. At first, this works. But over time, your cells start to ignore insulin signals. This means glucose stays in your blood longer, and your body has to work even harder to keep things in balance. Eventually, your cells stop responding to insulin as well. This is called insulin resistance, and it's a key factor in the development of type 2 diabetes and further liver damage. The more resistant your cells become, the more insulin your body has to make, creating a vicious cycle. This makes it even harder for your body to use glucose for energy, leading to more fat storage, especially in the liver. Over time, this can sap your energy, make it harder to lose weight, and put you at risk for serious health problems. The good news? By understanding how modern food choices impact your liver, you can start making changes today to protect your health for the future. Ready for a liver-loving diet makeover? It's simpler than you think. Start by ditching the foes: refined carbs like white bread and pasta, sugary drinks, and processed foods loaded with hidden sugars. Now, let's stock up on the good stuff. Fiber-rich vegetables like broccoli and spinach, low-sugar fruits like berries, healthy fats from avocados and olive oil, and quality proteins from fish and beans are your liver's best friends. Remember, food is medicine. By choosing wisely, you can nourish your liver back to health. Mother Nature provides us with incredible tools for healing, and some of the most effective remedies are often the simplest ones, found right in our kitchens or gardens. When it comes to supporting your health, especially your liver, you don't always need complicated solutions or expensive treatments. Instead, you can turn to time-tested natural ingredients that have been cherished for generations. Your liver is a true workhorse, quietly performing hundreds of vital functions every day, like filtering toxins, aiding digestion, and balancing your body's chemistry. It deserves a little extra care and attention, and thankfully, there are gentle, natural ways to give it the support it needs. Let's start with dandelion root. This humble herb, often dismissed as a common weed, is actually a powerhouse for liver detoxification. Dandelion root has been used in traditional medicine for centuries to help cleanse the liver and promote healthy bile flow, which is essential for breaking down fats and removing waste from the body. You can enjoy dandelion root as a soothing tea, or if you prefer, take it in supplement form. Its slightly bitter taste is a sign of its potency, and many people find it helps with digestion and overall energy levels. Next up is lemon water, a simple yet powerful ritual. Starting your day with a glass of warm lemon water not only hydrates you after a night's rest, but also helps stimulate your liver and digestive system. The vitamin C and antioxidants in lemons support your body's natural detoxification processes. Squeeze half a fresh lemon into a glass of warm water and drink it first thing in the morning. This gentle practice can help flush out toxins, kickstart your metabolism, and set a positive tone for the rest of your day. Many people notice improved digestion and increased energy just from this one simple habit. Plus, it's refreshing and easy to incorporate into any routine. Then there's ginger, a spicy root celebrated for its anti-inflammatory and digestive benefits. Ginger contains compounds called gingerols, which help reduce inflammation and support healthy liver function. If you ever feel bloated or sluggish, ginger can be a comforting remedy. It soothes the digestive tract and may even help protect your liver from oxidative stress. Add fresh ginger to your meals, grate it into hot water for a warming tea, or blend it into smoothies for a zesty kick. Its versatility makes it easy to enjoy every day. And don't forget turmeric, especially when paired with black pepper. Turmeric's active compound curcumin is a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant, but it's best absorbed when combined with black pepper. This golden duo can help reduce inflammation throughout the body, including the liver, and support your body's natural healing processes. Try adding turmeric and black pepper to soups, stews, or even golden milk for a comforting drink. If you prefer, turmeric is also available in supplement form. Just make sure it includes black pepper for maximum benefit. By making these simple additions to your daily routine, dandelion root, lemon water, ginger, and turmeric, you can gently support your liver's natural healing abilities. Small, consistent changes can make a world of difference in your overall health and vitality, helping you feel your best every day. Remember how we talked about excess sugar and insulin resistance? Well, lowering your carb intake is kind of like hitting the reset button for your liver. When you reduce carbs, your body starts using stored fat for energy instead. This is actually great news for your liver, since it allows it to shed excess fat. Lowering carbs also helps improve insulin sensitivity, making it easier for your body to regulate blood sugar levels and prevent further fat storage. It's really all about giving your liver a break from processing excess sugar and letting it focus on repair and rejuvenation. thriving for years to come. Now let's talk about fats. Not all fats are created equal. While we want to limit saturated fats found in fatty meats and full-fat dairy, unsaturated fats are essential for a healthy heart and body. Think olive oil, avocados, nuts, and fatty fish like salmon. These healthy fats provide energy, support cell function, and even help your body absorb important vitamins. Remember, balance is key. Enjoy healthy fats in moderation as part of a balanced diet. Here's the good news. Your liver is incredibly resilient. With the right care and support, it can regenerate and heal itself. By making these changes, eating a liver-loving diet, incorporating natural remedies, and adopting healthy lifestyle habits, you're giving your liver the best chance to recover. You might even start feeling the difference within days. More energy, better digestion, and a renewed sense of well-being are just a few of the benefits you might experience. While this guide provides valuable information and steps you can take to support your liver health, it's crucial to remember that everyone is different. It's always best to consult with your healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet or lifestyle, especially if you have any underlying health conditions. Your doctor can provide personalized guidance and support based on your individual needs and health history. Remember, your health is your most valuable asset, so prioritize it.